Hello, souls. How are you? It's time for another miraculous reading. Today we are going to make another royal reading. I believe you already heard about the news that Harry and Meghan have been chased by paparazzi in New York City for about 2 hours. Many people believe that this is absolutely impossible. So we are going to check if this is true, what actually happened, how this situation looks from above. I remind you that you can also offer a topic for a reading. So if you're curious, stay till the end of this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with the overall situation. What actually happened that night? Was there any chase going on? How long it take? Was there a group of paparazzi, or it was just a couple of them? What really happened? Ace of Wands, King of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the Emperor, and Five of Cups. So the Ace of Wands means action. It could mean also spirits, but not that much as, for example, the Eight of Wands in this case. Furthermore, we have it in combination with the King of Cups. So we have some sort of inspiration or feeling that came. And here we have Prince Harry appearing as the King of Cups, somebody who is very emotional and nostalgic also, and he was 100% convinced that they were being chased. He got some sort of deja vu feeling, but there's another person, so this should be Meghan, who instead of calming him down built up this feeling. With the Three of Pentacles, we have somebody who is building up a structure. And once this feeling starts, and this is a feeling on a level of anxiety and some sort of panic attack, we have somebody who is building up this as a team instead of stopping it. The situation was under control. There's nothing scary actually going on. We have the Emperor, who can also represent police. So we have strong police presence in New York City. And we have once again Five of Cups, who indicates some sadness and nostalgia. This relates really well with the King of Cups. So there was this overall feeling of deja vu, and that something really sad is going to happen, and that the police forces won't be helpful. How many paparazzi there were? Were there any group of paparazzi following Meghan and Harry? Two of Wands, Tower, Seven of Wands, the World, Knight of Cups. So what happened? There were 6 or maximum 7 of them waiting in front of the location where Meghan and Harry went. And once they crossed the door and they saw them, this was the moment when there was flashes of their them when taking pictures, and this was some sort of flashback that strikes them. I must of all struck Harry, and he remembered all the experience he had passed through in his past, and this was the feeling that was generated and started moving forward. So there's this group of 6 or 7 people taking pictures. This group of 6 or 7 pups followed them, actually, or they stayed distant. 6 of Cups, they were 6. Lovers, 10 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles, and 6 of Swords. No, they weren't chasing them. So they initially, just for a while, started following them, but then they decided to, they just changed their mind as they saw that receiving this money for the pictures won't be that easy. It will be really difficult to obtain enough money for this effort. It was too much effort for not that much money. So it looks like they Prince Harry and Meghan Markle were not that valuable target. So the pups walked away. So overall, how much was the duration of this chase? We see at the beginning what was the duration, the total duration of this chase. 9 of Wands. This could mean 9 minutes. 4 of Swords, even faster, and Ace of Swords. So it was about 9 to 14 minutes maximum, and then they stopped. So what was the reason this news came out? What was the reason this was announced as news, that they were in danger, that they almost died, that somebody was too aggressive towards them? What was the actual reason for this? Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Death, Fool, and King of Wands. So it was just that feeling they had, that we have just the image here, not the qualities of the Queen of Wands. We have Princess Diana appearing here, next to Dodi Al-Fayed. He appears as the Knight of Pentacles, but what you should look at here in this specific case is the images. So we have this couple of blonde woman with blue eyes, and with in combination with somebody who is with dark hair and dark eyes. He holds pentacles, so he is financially stable and rich, and she's athletic. At that stage of her life, Princess Diana was already well fit. And what happened? The Death card. So this was very stupid idea with the Fool. However, they wanted to recreate the story. They got the feeling and they got this memory, deja vu, and idea that this could be recreated once again. And somehow we have the King of Wands. This is Harry, who appears as grown-up man, but he doesn't show the qualities of a grown-up man because he's in combination with the Fool card. So we have grown-up man who is acting in a foolish manner as a little child. So there's this overlapping of the two images. He doesn't know if he is the little child who lost their mother still, or if he's a grown-up man, and he constantly returns to his past and keeps thinking and living once again and again what he imagined to had happened to his mother. So this was some sort of experience he wanted to relive once again, to experience. So will there be another communication or official communication from Meghan and Harry side, telling exactly what happened, what was the intention? Will there be? Yes, but they will make it like they are passive, they are not doing anything, and they will use another person to spread the rumor. And they will say we are distancing ourselves from this rumor. We are taking care about our kids and we don't want them to be stressed when they are traveling in a car. So there will be some sort of announcement that they will deny, and later they will say that they are more concerned about their children and that they are really afraid to take them and travel with them in a car. Were there any witnesses when this happened, at least at the beginning, on when the pups stopped following them? No, there were no witnesses. So that was the reading, my dear souls. Once again, if you find it interesting, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.